Are you looking for to delete community in WhatsApp? Then here's the simple steps on how you can easily delete that. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the application WhatsApp. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credential and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, simply head over to the inbox of that group and then move into the community that you want to delete. Once you're in here, click on the profile. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see the option of deactivate community. Right now you are not the admin of the community, so the option is not available to you. But if you are the admin, then deactivate option will be available to you. Simply click on it and tap on confirm. State the reason why you want to deactivate and once again click on confirm. After that, your community will be deactivated and deleted. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.